A very good morning, dear class. Hope you all are fine at your places. Class, today we will be going to discuss an activity. Our activity is related to the volcanic eruption. Dear class, before starting an activity, I want to say something to you, class. Always use a sanitizer and always wear a mask. So this is a very important. So class, let's move towards an activity. Our activity is related to the volcanic eruption. Basically, a volcano is a mountain or a hill with an opening. So during an eruption, molten rocks called magma that comes to the surface from inside the earth. So let's start with an activity. So let's start how to make a volcano. So class, these are the things which we have to be required for making a volcano. First of all, rough cardboard, one bowl, one scissor, a stapler, paper napkin, one glass of water, food color, fevicol. Now this is the baking soda. Afterwards is the red watercolor, black watercolor, then vinegar we have to be required. Then now last one is the empty plastic bottle. So these are the things which we have to be required for making a volcano. So let's start class. Now this is the cardboard which I had taken, or you have to also take a birthday cap. Now here I had to take a birthday cap. Now I can roll it in a cone shape. See, like this. Now after this I have to staple it from both the sides. See, you have to make the cardboard in a cone shape. Class, see it here. This is the shape of the cone. Now our cone shape is ready. Now I have to cut it from the upper side like this. Now, so you have to put it on the table like this. Now this is the shape of the cone. Now after that you have to take a empty bowl. Then you have to add some gum or a fevicol in the bowl. See, just like this. After adding the gum, you have to take a red watercolor and add it in the bowl. Here I am adding the red watercolor in the bowl. Now I am adding the red watercolor in the bowl with the gum. After this, I can take a black watercolor. I can also add this watercolor in the bowl with the red color. Now after adding the color in the bowl, black color and red color, now we have to take a tissue paper and we have to tear the tissue paper in the small pieces like this. See, here I am tearing the tissue paper in the small pieces. Now I can take one by one all the tissue papers and dip it in the color. Now here I can dip the tissue paper in the fevicol and color and take it and paste it on the cardboard. See, just like this. Again I can take another tissue paper. I can dip it in the bowl like this. Then I can take it and then I can again paste it on the cardboard which is in the shape of the cone. Class, again you have to take a tissue paper and dip it in the gum and the watercolor and again you can paste it. See, here all my shape of the cone is covered with the black tissue paper. See class, how it's look like. Now class, you have to be wait for a 5 minutes, let it be a dry. Class, see it here, this cone is totally dry. Now we have to take a empty bottle and put this empty bottle inside the cone. See, just see it here, I am putting this bottle inside the cone. Just like this you have to put the bottle inside the cone. Class, these are the four important things which we have to be required for volcanic eruption. Number one, vinegar. Number two, that is the vim bar. Any kind of vim bar you have to take. Third one is the food color, and fourth one is the baking powder. So these four things are very necessary for making the volcanic eruption. Now let's start. Now take another small piece of a cardboard and like this, and you have to make it as in a small cone shape. See here, I am making the cone shape of the cardboard just like this, and you have to place this cone shape between the big cone and between the bottle. See, like this. So you have to place this small shape cone between the big cone and between the bottle. Now here I have to take a baking powder. Now here I can add a 1 spoon of baking powder inside the cone. After this I can close it. Then second, I can take it as a second item is the food color. Again I can take a small spoon of food color and add it in the volcano. Then third item, here I can take a 1 spoon of vim bar or any kind of syrup, and you can add it in the volcano. Now class, last thing that is the very important, we have to add in it, that is the vinegar. Now I am adding the vinegar inside it. Slowly you can add the vinegar. Now class, you have to just wait for a while. Now class, see what happened. It's look like a magma. So magma is occurs from inside the earth. So this is called a volcanic eruption. I hope class you all like this activity, and I request to everyone, please try this activity at your place. Thank you class. Have a nice day.